So I have recently become obsessed with the Made by Mitchell blushes. I got this in the shade Sweet Cheeks out of my Glossy Box limited edition box that I bought recently, and I cannot stop wearing it. And also, I started following Made by Mitchell. I really want to know what his products are like. So I treated myself to the £25 mystery bag, and it came in 2 bags. So for £25, if you don't know, you get 6 products worth £70. And I've already been in them because I have no self-control. And I've already kind of tried a few bits out, so I thought I would let you know what I thought and what I got. I'm going to leave this one till last because it's got my favourite product in it that I've used, and which I'll tell you about in a bit. But in the first bag I got 5 products and they are so nice. So I got 2 brushes. So one is a little eyeshadow brush and the other one is a angled brush, which looks pretty good. They are so soft if you haven't tried them. I've also got a all lip no trip in the shade Selling Cookies, which I've already tried it as an eyeliner. It works. And I've also tried it as a lip liner. I did have it on. It's kind of rubbed off, but it's kind of a very pale brown nudie colour, which I really like. And then I've got an All Smudge No Budge in the shade Evolve, which is a bright electric blue liner. And then I also got one of the blushes in the shade Dreams Green. It's bright green. I've already had a look online and I've seen that people are using these as eyeshadow. So I'm going to have a little go at that, using it as eyeshadow. I can't wait, because to use that as blusher, I'm just a little bit scared of doing so. For the 6th product that I got, I am so happy that I got this because I eyeing it up on Beauty Bay. This is Where the Mangoes palette. It is so stinking cute. I've got it on my eyes today. This is what the palette looks like. So pretty. I've got these 3 colours on my eyes today. They blend out like a dream. They are so pretty. So I've got the shades Are You Sure, Swimming Trunks and On the Beach. The palette has got 3 shimmers in it and then a whole load of mattes. But honestly, it's so bright, so you could do a neutral look with it like I have. But I'm going to push myself out my comfort zone and use some of these colours and hopefully use this green blush as a base and then just kind of do some funky colours on top. So I so cannot wait. I'm so happy with this product.